Hey guys, this is Michael Williams. Just making a quick tutorial video to show you how to take the attendance form I sent you in our email this morning and put it into one of your Canvas courses. You can do this through Sandbox or your first period and then go back and copy it later after completing in this. I think it's important to include this prominently, make it easy for kids to find. When you go to my homepage, right at the top, you see the important things that need to happen. So, for example, Submit Daily Bell Ringer is one of my prominent links. I'm just going to put it right underneath that. If we're not here, or I should say, if I'm not here and I'm not starting my Zoom like I typically would for me personally every day, the kids should know, all right, well, I'm going to go here because Mr. Williams isn't starting the Zoom, so I'll mark myself present this way. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a new row underneath here. And we'll just say attendance when Mr. Williams is absent. And I mean, you could say attendance when we don't have Zoom, or phrase it however you'd like, but just getting your kids to understand that this is what they need to do, this is where they need to go when they're not you can't take attendance yourself is important. Go ahead and highlight it, and then we will link it. I've already copied over the survey for me, paste it in, click done, and then of course save at the bottom. I'll show you guys a quick student view just so you can see what the kids will see once they click that link. Might go back and make that font a little bit smaller if it's gonna break it down like that. So they'll be sent to this form. They will not be able to access it unless they're logged in to their Office 365 account. I already am, but it'll prompt them putting their email or confirming their email, and all they got to do is just says click the period that they're supposed to be in. If they're in my first period and we didn't get to do that, just go ahead, click it, and submit. Very easy for them. It's not complicated. It's not hard to find. It allows them to see what they need to do. And then what will happen is it will turn into an Excel sheet for Miss McIntosh or Miss Howard to follow up with. So for example, here's mine. I had a few other teachers test it out today just to kind of see how it loaded, and it'll have their name because they have to be logged into their account. It'll have the period they marked, and it'll also be timestamped so we can see what day they did it on, for if it's matching the day you were absent, of course. It doesn't always load instantaneously, so right now it doesn't have the one I just did, but in a few seconds, in a minute, it'll load up there. If you have any questions, you can email me back, and I'll be happy to help you out.